What's going on, everyone? It's your boy James, Grendel's Garage. We're going to go ahead and take the Banshee Queen for another rip. As you guys saw last time when we took this bad Larry out, we completely snapped this in half. I attempted to do my best to weld it. Did have to stick some JB weld on there as well to try to make it airtight the best we could. And welded on a little bit of this top kind of bracket looking thing to try to strengthen it up a little bit. The welds on top are just some practice welds I did when I first got my welder, so that is some old stuff. I just wanted to reuse it. So appears to be a lot better. We went ahead and also made this janky looking bracket too. Had some better success with some welds with this. Made it way too long, but too lazy to cut it off. Also too, we went ahead and actually re-greased and completely redid the coaster brake. It was super bad. I didn't realize how bad it really was. So besides that, we do have a new tire as well. I figured since I was back there, I'd go ahead and switch it up. I think these are, I don't even know, Finchies or something like that. They're okay. They're okay. We'll go ahead and see how they run. Not as thick as tread I was hoping, and the sidewalls are actually super thin. Super thin. But still better than nothing. So yeah, guys, we don't have a ton of gas, and it's also still pretty hot outside. So let's just go ahead and see how everything goes. Pretty excited. Hopefully nothing breaks, but if it does, that's just the way this hobby goes, guys, as you're all very aware of. Not a great start. That's a little weird. So I just gotta make sure these wires are correct. Kind of sounds like she's not getting a spark. Ah, yeah. This came off. That might be the problem. Can't see. Alrighty. Everything else looks good. Uh-oh. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. I think I just lost a little bit of power. I think we're all right, though.
It's all good?
Yeah, I think so. We'll find out. You been good?
Yeah.
Good? Awesome.
Good all the time. That's awesome.
That's awesome. Yeah, thanks, man. It's been pretty fun. Hit 51 the other day on it, so not bad.
No, that's pretty cool.
Thank you.
A little kit, right?
Yeah, so this can like come with a little kit. I bought an aftermarket pipe, and then this is a motorcycle carburetor. So, yeah.
Well, so you just kind of just fabricate it?
Yeah, just a little bit. I didn't go too crazy or anything like that. So, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Tensioner too, right there.
Yep. So.
How much that cost you?
Oh, I don't even know at this point, man. I don't even want to know. Probably like $1,000 into it altogether.
On the engine only, or?
Oh, no, for everything. For like Springer forks, the bars, everything.
What kind of frame was that?
It's just like an old 1999 Schwinn.
Schwinn? Okay.
Yep, just a Schwinn.
You got a little spring tube up front, so that's...
Yep, little Springer forks. So, yeah, no, it's been super fun, man. It's a good little hobby.
I know, that's cool.
Yeah, love it, man. Love it. So,
cool.
Yeah.
Cool. So, do you still pedal?
Yeah, you can still pedal with it.
I mean, you know.
Yep, you can still pedal. So, because it's just like a little two-stroke, so you got to pedal to drop the clutch, and then once the clutch is engaged, that actually turns over the engine.
Oh, okay.
So then once you get going, you don't have to pedal anymore, which is nice.
Yeah, just goes.
Right, exactly. Alrighty, man. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can rip it up.
Yeah, fire up. Let's see it.
Yeah, all right, let's do it. Good seeing you.
Yeah, you too.
All right, let's see if it works now. drop that needle for sure. Alright, hold on. Sorry, my handlebars are making me a little nervous, guys. I will say I'm a lot more cautious than I used to be. Man, I think that is so not good. I gotta figure that out. Interesting. I tightened the living fucking piss out of that too. Sorry, that's kind of why I've been just a little hesitant. Still kind of scary to tell you the truth. Holy shit. Well, it seems like she's holding up though pretty good. Oh man, we're burning off the JB weld, it looks like. Interesting. Didn't think that was possible. That just goes to show you how hot these fuckers get, guys. Alrighty. We're gonna go ahead and head on back. It's also hotter than the Dickens, and I'm trying not to blow this thing up. Alrighty. Hold on. Alrighty guys, well, we hit 50 miles an hour. Went about 8 miles right there. Not too shabby. Well, I mean... oh shoot, what are we kicking here? What is potentially leaking everywhere? There's oil. I don't know anymore. We're always spitting something somewhere, guys. It almost seems like water. Kind of weird. Got a bunch of oil leaking back here. Not really sure where that's coming from. Hopefully not another blown head, or excuse me, exhaust gasket. I definitely put a new one on. Yeah, we're spitting oil again. Wonder if this kind of backed out a little bit. We'll check it out when we get into the shop. Overall, guys, super fun, having a good time. It's just kind of weird. It's also harder with balls, and I probably rode her a lot harder than I should have, but I don't know, guys. I'm having fun, man. Got to figure out what's going on with this sucker as far as why it keeps moving around on me. Kind of scary, to tell you the truth. Not gonna lie, that's kind of why I wasn't doing anything crazy in my turns or anything like that. But yeah, what can I say? It's a lot of fun. And this thing is a ripper. She is a ripping. This Nibbi carb is no joke, guys. That is huge. I think we got a air leak somewhere in here, so I'm sure that's probably why she's not staying as well as she could as far as idling and stuff. So cool, guys. Cool. Alrighty, we'll go ahead and get her in the shop and take a look at her and see what's going on. These tires held up a little bit better than I thought, and yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. Till next time.